Hello, everyone. Got here a little bit early. I always like to be early and on time, and especially with traffic and construction we've seen here over this last year here in Fort Wayne. They got a lot of money to spend, apparently. I got from the northwest to the southwest side without a wreck or construction. That's amazing, as any of you who go across town a lot know. But wanted to do a quick little video. I've got my 2 years in now at Keller Williams. And as I can say, overall, it's been a pretty great experience. Keller Williams is just an amazing group of people. And I was looking at the numbers this morning, and just in the Three Rivers area alone, we've sold over 1,000 homes this year on a down year. And we were also in a rebuild, as we just got this great new team leader who's already got the first 2 months schedule filled out and ready for everyone. I can say you can get training, especially for new agents that need that a lot, because there's just so much, in real estate. People don't understand the complexity of a real estate transaction. It's not selling a car, even. You've got checklists, but you've got to go to the training so you know how to do those checklists. And then you've got to have the experience to get through, because real estate deals, you get wrenches thrown at you from anywhere. You can even get them. I've had recently some city and local government rules and stuff jumping in. You got title issues, more lender issues. Oh my goodness, there just can be anything. But you get the support there too. You got a great managing broker, you got operating principal, and the new team leader. And it really is just a place where entrepreneurs can thrive. Command is probably one of the best CRMs on the market, bar none, and it is fully controlled by Keller Williams, so you don't have to worry about third parties on it. And you got Gary Keller, and Gary Keller stood up recently in that lawsuit, which I'll go over in another video because that's a lot of complexity, and I'm actually shocked at how many people don't know about it. But it's just something in protecting people's interest and having representation. So I'm going to go and open this house up before the client gets here, and everyone make it a great day. Grace and peace.